Hello, welcome to Just Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see a new concept called strings. Strings is one of the very important concept in Java programming language, and this can be useful when we are writing a simple program or when we are writing a very complex applications. So without wasting time, let's jump into the this concept actually. So as part of this video, we're going to understand like what is a string and what is the type of the string and how we are going to declare the string and how we are going to display the string content into the console, and also how we are going to combine two strings and how we are going to display into the console. So these are the different things we are going to understand as part of this video. Okay, first let's jump into the concept. Okay, like I said, right? So first we will try to understand what is a string. So the string is a sequence of characters, right? And it's a non-primitive data type, and a string is an inbuilt class. So these are the some of the functionalities of the string I displayed. And okay, let me write a simple program. So from that we are going to understand all these string features what I explained. So let me create a simple Java project. Finish it, finish. So don't create, no. Okay, so I'm going to write a simple class string a demo, and I'll give the package name as com dot just dot prime. And if I select this public static void main, so it will generate the public static void main method by default. Okay, let me click it. So now the class is ready, and let me remove this comment. So like I said, right, what is the string? The string is a sequence of character and it's a non-primitive data type. Okay. So as per the previous video, we have already seen some of the primitive data types like int, floor, char, long, double, right? So these are like a primitive data types, whereas in case of a string, it's a non-primitive data type. So this is one of the major difference between primitive and non-primitive case. String is basically non-primitive data type. So how we are going to declare the string? So before going to the string, so as per the previous video, we have already seen int x equal to 0. So basically if you see, so integer is a primitive data type, and how you declare the primitive, you can see here it's a lowercase. So now come back to our string. So like I said, string is a non-primitive data type. So string we should not declare like this. So it's a non-primitive data type, and you can make it as a uppercase. So this is the way we can define the string data type. So after that you can define the variable name. After that you can give the value. So this is one of the simple way to declare the string. And like I said, string is like a string is non-primitive data type, and it's a sequence of characters. So this is the way we can define the string. String is a sequence of characters. We can give multiple characters. It could be one or more, and it will take any kind of symbols as well. It should not be only characters. It can take alphanumeric as well. So string is a sequence of character, and it will start with a string, and S should be capital. If you try to give lowercase, so you will get a compilation error. So this is one of the note we have to keep in our mind. So now we can able to declare the string, and we can able to assign the sequence of characters. So this is the one of the simple example how to declare the string and how to assign the value. So the 2 points we have covered here, one is string is a sequence of character and it's a non-primitive data type. So so now the second point we are going to understand, so how many ways you are going to create the string object. So before going to the object, so one more point about the string. So string is a class of inbuilt type. So how can I say string is an inbuilt class? If you want to know the string inbuilt class, so you can press control and you can keep cursor here and you can click on that. So you will see the string dot class, and basically it's an inbuilt class. So we no need to read we so this string class is came as part of your JDK. So if you see here, right, so public final class string, so we can discuss about this final all those things later. For right now we just remember the string is an inbuilt class. So this is one of the inbuilt class which is coming as part of your JDK. So you can read about all this documentation. So now let me close this class. So string is an inbuilt class, and it will come as part of your a JDK package. So now we are going to see how to create an object for this class. So before going to the object class, so now we can display the now we have a string object and we have assigned the value just and followed by some sequence characters. Say for instance, if I want to display this value into the console, how we are going to display it? So we can use sysout. So sysout control space, can select it. So you can write here str content. So followed by we can concatenate by doing plus and followed by name. So this is the way you can able to display the a string value into your console. So now let me run it. So the program is running and we can see our value over here. So this is the way you can able to display your string value into the console. Okay, now come back to the next point. So how many ways you can able to create this string object? So one way is directly, we have already seen. The simple way is you can create a string literal. This is one way, and you can assign value. See here we got a compilation error because string won't allow duplicate names. So here name is already declared. I am trying to declare the same name again, so it's not taking. So I just change the variable name. So now we can see here, right? It's a sequence of characters. It's not only sequence of characters. You can give a space, then you can give next word as well. So here basically here there is a two words and these two words are separated by space. So basically here the space also a character. So that's what it is taking, and we can able to assign this value to the s successfully without any compilation error. So this is one of the way to declare or initialize the string value. Okay. So the next variable is string s2 I declared, and now how I am going to assign the value. So we are going to use new character, new keyword, and you can pass here just new. So this is another way we can use by using new keyword, and you can create the string object. So this is the second way we can able to create the string object by using the new keyword. So now there is another way also is there by using the char array. So as per the previous video, we have already seen char is a primitive data type, and you can create a char array, and you can inside that you need to assign any number of arrays. Let me give a comma separated by b and c. So basically it's a char array and it's having three characters, and you can give any number of characters. It's no need to follow by any sequence. Just for demo purpose I have given abc. So now how we are going to form a string object with the help of this char array? So let me create string s2 equal to new string. So here instead of passing the string value, I'm going to pass my char array. So now this is the third way I can able to create string object by using the char array, or you can pass directly string object as well. So these are the three ways we can able to create the a string object, and there are many other ways as well, but we will see that one slowly one by one. For right now, try to remember these are the three ways we can able to create the string object, and we can able to display this value in the console as well. So let me display these values in my console. So let me display s plus s. So this is the way you can try to add some of the variable or some value, so that we can able to try to distinguish if when you're trying to display multiple console messages, so that just to distinguish purpose. So I'm going to add s, and now let me run this program and we can see our value. So we try to put colon so that we can able to differentiate what is the value and what is the hard coded value. So our just prime is coming. So this is the way we can able to declare a string and assign the value with three different possible ways. So now I'm going to display this value in another way. Say for instance, now I want to combine these two strings. See, if you see here, right? So there is a s is there, s1 is there, but right now I try to display this value with the help of two different sysout. But now what I want to do, I want to display these two values as part of one sysout. So how I'm going to do it? It's very simple. You can use plus and you can use 2. So this is the way you can able to combine two strings, and you can able to display this value inside your console. Str concat. So this is we can call as a concatenation of multiple strings into the one object, and we will try to display this value into the console. So let me run this program and we will see. Yes, if you see here, right? So basically s and s2 is combining together and it's displaying this value. So this is another way basically we can able to combine two strings and we can display this value. If you see here, what is this s2? So s2 is basically we are trying to assign here a char array. So the char array is having abc. So that's what we can see here, abc in a sequence. So if you want to display some special space or anything, you can just add another string over here in between and it will display as it is. So you can see over here. So this is the way we can able to display the string content in your console. So what we discuss here, so just to recall for this one, a string is a sequence of character and it's a non-primitive data type, and we can able to declare the string object in a three ways, like I said, literal and directly, and the next one is by using the new keyword, and another one is by using the char array. So these are the three ways we can able to create the string object, and we can able to assign the value, and we can able to display the value into the console by using the sysout, and we can able to combine multiple strings by using the concatenate operator like plus. I think that's all about this video, and I hope you enjoy with this video, and if you like the video you can subscribe the channel for more subsequent videos, and thank you, thanks for your time.